author of the blog Skippy's Vegetable Garden, a journal of my sustainable garden. I'm here in my fall garden in Belmont, Massachusetts with my dog Skippy and his friend, and I'm going to show you how to pick chili peppers. I've got two types of chili peppers this year in my garden. I grew these are poblano chili peppers, a really nice spicy dark chili pepper, and I've got an Anaheim here. It was a super year for growing chilies. The way I like to harvest a chili pepper is to take the stem in your hand, and it'll curve around. You grab it between your finger and give it a little flick. The stems break easily. Another method, of course, would be to use a pair of clippers and to just cut off the stem. So the ones I have here are green. The summers aren't often hot enough or long enough for the chili peppers to ripen to the full red color. Getting red requires a lot of sunlight and heat. And when the chilies are red, they get a fuller and a more pungent flavor. Peppers will ripen to red. These I've picked while they're green, and that's delicious too. So I've showed you how to harvest chili peppers. I'm Kathy Martin, author of the blog Skippy's Vegetable Garden, a journal of my sustainable garden. Enjoy your sustainable garden and grow some great vegetables.